Hey guys, what's happening? How to add your LinkedIn experience section. So first of all, go ahead to your profile. You can click your avatar icon at the top left, and then you're gonna be able to see your profile right here. Scroll a little bit down to find your experience, right? And if you already added an experience, you're gonna add a new position, right? That will help you solidify your experience in this field, specifically. Now enter, of course, the title, let's say assistant, and employment type, full-time, part-time, self-employed, whatever, and select the company, let's say this company. And if you are currently working on this role, just go ahead and hit the check mark, right? Now select the starting date, if you remember, okay, and the end date, which is removed, and select the location, obviously, if you want to select like United States, and then select the location type, on-site, hybrid, or you're working from home or remote, and add the description, of course, for this particular position, right? And you can also add a profile headline right here, and select where did you find this job, whether you find it on LinkedIn, Indeed, or other platforms. You can just go ahead and select from there. And if you want to add a skills like working under pressure, teamwork, whatever, and all that stuff, you can just go ahead and hit add skills. And it will help if you added like an image or site to help people understand or verify that your background. So afterwards, you're gonna hit save, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.